Who says cats and birds can't be friends? This unlikely duo will melt your heart. It all started when this little sparrow was found stranded on the front porch, weak and confused. The kind-hearted recorder decided to take care of the little bird. Shortly after, the recorder's sibling found a young cat wandering alone on the street. The poor kitten had no mother and looked lost, so they took it home and cared for it too. Surprisingly, after being nurtured together, these two formed an unexpected friendship. Instead of the cat chasing the bird, it's the sparrow that always sticks to the kitten. It's as if the little bird finds comfort and safety next to its fluffy friend. Their bond shows that love can grow between even the most unlikely pair. Isn't it adorable? Share this heartwarming story with your friends.